Good afternoon. Today we're going to show you the Green Elephant Solar Kettle that will provide safe drinking water at low cost to people who don't need to use electricity or don't have access to electricity. What I have here is half a litre jug of water. Temperature is 20 degrees. Pour that another jug for decanting, and then fill up the solar kettle and take out the boiling water. Half a litre of 20-degree water going in. Coming off. Pour the steam until we've shown the steam. Now that temperature is showing around 80 degrees. Anything over 65 degrees has killed pathogens, and this is basically boiled and has been boiling in the sun. It starts the day cold and heats up during the day. So I've taken out half a litre. I'm going to take out more. The volume of this is around the same as a normal kettle, 0.7 to 1.8 litres. Again, the temperature here is in excess of 80 degrees centigrade. There are two ways of using this. One is to make the water safe and cool it down again, or you can put it into a kettle and have most of the heating done by the sun. This is the last time to fill it up. Should be roughly. Final draft temperature. Still in excess of 65 degrees, which means we've had effectively free pasteurized water, or free water heated to a temperature that makes it pathogen free. That's it for the Green Elephant Solar Kettle.